Hello friends, this is Adrika Badore from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about past statement. So let's make a new file here, tu21.py. Okay. So suppose if you write if statement, if let's make a variable here age, okay, and let's give it 15. 15. And if we write here if age is less than 15. Okay. Now, inside this if statement block, you do not want to write any code. Okay. If you enter it, so if you do not want to write any code inside this if block, so what can you do? Let's run it like this only. See, as you can see here, it is throwing an error, right? It is throwing syntax error. So if we leave our block like this, it will surely throw an error. But if you do not want to write any code inside any block, here we are learning about if block, but there are many more types of block. We will learn about those blocks in my upcoming videos. Okay. So here we can write pass. Okay. So this won't throw any error. So let's run it. See, it is working properly. It is not throwing any error. So that's what pass statement does. Okay. If you do not want to write any code inside a block, you use pass statement. So right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.